Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna show you guys how to apply a unit using the bold cap method. So you guys know that I've actually done several videos using the bold cap method. Today I'm back with a unit from Alipearl hair, and so they sent me one of their units. This is what the unit looks like straight from the box. It is a lovely, gorgeous, kinky wig. So the unit comes with combs, as you can see right here, and also has adjustable straps, just like, you know, any usual kind of wig. But you guys, let's talk about the volume on this unit. Like, this unit looks very heavy. It feels heavy. It feels like it's got like a lot of density in it. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below, because I did choose like a higher density because I wanted it to look much more fuller and everything like that. But it does look bouncy and everything like that.
Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that comes she no, they do me, she get.
Like, ooh, it is a lot of hair, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Very easily detangled. As you can see, I'm just detangling it using my fingers. And you know, this is straight from the box kind of unit, and I have no tangling at all. Oh my, this looks amazing. I feel like I'm gonna straighten this hair a little bit, just to, you know, get rid of the bounciness, like, you know what I'm saying, because it looks super full.
I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette.
This unit comes pre-plugged, but it would benefit from personalizing it a little bit more. But you know, I haven't got time for it. Like you guys know, I'm always busy. But yeah, I do try most of the times to make sure that I do personalize my units for you guys, so that you see how I do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this unit down. So let's see how it looks now. Absolutely in love with this hair. Like, this is just gorgeous. Like, wow. So as you can see guys, you can actually wear this unit glueless, as you can see right here, because I haven't applied any glue or anything like that. So you can actually go ahead and wear this unit without any glue. So it's entirely up to you. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my got to be glued spray and just a spray where I'm gonna lay down my unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and start laying down my unit. Just gonna position it exactly where the bold cap is, like this. And you want to make sure you grip something that will help lay down the lace. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've laid down my frontal. But oh my god, I just feel like, oh my god, this looks so amazing. It does look like natural hair, like, oh my gosh, like wow, perfect parting space. You guys, Look at that perfect padding space. I'm gonna pat this side as well. Ah, this is just gorgeous. Look at that padding space and look at how flawless the board cap is. So you can't really tell well where the board cap is and anything like that. And as you can see here, I do have like this shiny bit here. It is the spray, and so I'm gonna go ahead and use like a face wipe or rubbing alcohol just to remove this, so you won't be able to see this, you guys. Like, you have to remove that. I'm not sure if I should go for a side part or middle part. Let's see. Maybe I'll try middle part, but I'm not a middle part kind of person, you guys. I'm sure you know that, but I'm gonna try a middle part just for the sake of this video, so that, you know, it's so different. Oh my god, this hair is giving me so much love. Ooh, I think this is one of the best units, the kinky texture, like the yaki kinky kind of texture that I've received in a very long time. This is gorgeous. I love, look at that texture, guys. This is amazing. Okay, so just before I straighten the hair, you guys, I'm gonna use my heat protectant from ORS, and I really love this stuff. And you only need a little bit, because, you know, you don't want to weigh down your units or anything like that. So you just need to apply a little bit just to protect the hair and give the hair a little bit of shine as well. We'll start with the middle part, and if it doesn't work, I'll definitely go back to my side parts. I'm not going for like a bone straight kind of look. I just want the hair to look, you know, a little bit toned down, not to look too bulky, because I don't want the hair to lose the texture. So I'm not gonna overdo it. Like you can see right here, it still has the texture. Like, seriously, this is taking me longer than I thought. It is just like, oh my god. So I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference already. I know it is still looking big and bouncy, but you can see this texture is loosened a little bit, and this texture is still looking, you know what I'm saying? So, oh my lord, I am just so tired. Like, oh my god. So I've been doing this like for the past like 20 minutes, and yes, okay, be prepared, hunty, be prepared. So this is what we're looking at, but as you can see, guys, the hair still has a lot of bounce, a lot of volume in it. Like, I did not flat iron it to be like bone straight, but you can see that the texture is still there, it's still amazing. Looks so flawless, guys, like flawless. I'm gonna grab my stretching comb and see if I can flatten the top bit of the unit, because it's still looking, you know, kind of crazy to me. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my lower body mousse just to get rid of some flyaways. I'm just doing a little bit of some baby hairs right here. I am not going overboard with it. Oh gosh, I messed up here. Just to make it look a little bit more natural.
Change familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to
So this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this unit. Like, this unit is just amazing. Like, it's just too much sauce, like too much. Like, it is just perfect. You can see how big and bouncy it is. Like, the texture is still there even though I flat ironed it. Like, it is just amazing. Like, I absolutely love the way it feels. It doesn't tangle, and I haven't experienced any shading with this unit. Like, seriously, it is just amazing. Like I said, you guys, I went for the higher density, which was 180 density. So that's why you see the unit is so full and so big and bouncy. So it's up to you to go for the higher density or the kind of a lower density. It depends on your personal preference. Like, seriously, I just wanted to see how their 180% density looks like, and oh my god, I was so shocked. I was surprised. And yeah, I hope you guys do love the middle part, because I'm not really a middle part kind of person. So most of you guys have been wondering, how do I remove the unit when I've applied it on a cap method? So I just wanted to show you guys that it is pretty simple, because most of you guys are worried that it will rip off your edges or it does ruin your edges. No, it doesn't, because as I applied it, I did not apply it directly onto my edges. I went further away from my edges, and removing it is very easy and simple, and it is very safe. So all you need is water to remove it, like, because it is not glue, it is gel. People who have like spiky hair, like the guys, they usually use it for having that spiky kind of hair, you know what I'm saying? So it is not a glue, it is a gel. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I remove the unit. Okay, so I've got water, just water here, or you can go under the shower if you prefer. It will all work. Okay, so you want to just go ahead and spray where you applied your bold cap, or where the gel is, and just massage it gently. You want to just give it a good massage. It will definitely lift like this, you know what I'm saying? You're not pulling, you're not tugging, it is just like completely off. So I'm just gonna show you again. You see right here, it is still intact. So I'm gonna spray water and just give it a nice good massage like this. So it should come up like this, as you can see right here. It is definitely coming up easily. Remove it like this, as you can see. No pulling, no tugging. The unit is completely off. Like, it is off. It is completely off, and it is very, very safe. Like, as you can see, my hairline is not touched. Like, you can't see my hair right here, because I did go further from the hairline. So my hairline is somewhere right here, and I did apply the bold cap somewhere here. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.